So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that can be used to build pretty much anything. Most common use of JavaScript is to build interactive websites. When you go to google.com, when you click on Google search, that's an action which actually gets back to you some results. JavaScript is the one that empowers that button. So most of the common websites today are interactive, and they are interactive because of JavaScript. Instagram, Facebook, all these websites are great example of JavaScript. JavaScript is also used to build backend APIs, which are the servers, which are the services running on all these data centers, servers, getting you processing some data and getting you some results. JavaScript is also used in developing mobile applications with React Native, one of the frameworks of JavaScript. Building mobile applications has become super easy. JavaScript is also used to do game development.